Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
As you can see, we're here on beautiful Gap Lake, and I can't wait to show you this amazing waterfront home in Sunny Hills. There's just no words for this. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the Oasis outside. I can't even begin to tell you. I'm almost speechless. But I wanted to point out that not only do you have the stairs down to the lake, you also have got that nice little dock, as well as it's got a jet ski landing. You just pull right up, tie it up, and you can just go out the next day. It also has a fish cleaning station. It's exactly the little amenities and the details that you'd want to be living on the water. And it doesn't really stop there. Look at all of this backyard. It's all concrete. One, it's just easy. And two, it's a party. It's stunning out here. Hey, come on in and welcome to your waterfront home. As you can see, this is beautiful. You walk into all of this space. You've got the pool table that welcomes you in, and then you turn the corner and you come to your eat-in kitchen, basically, but you've got room for the whole family and friends and a huge party. I love how large this kitchen is as well. Of course, you've got your solid surface granite countertops, but you've got so much space here. Mom, grandma, and daughter can be in here cooking and getting ready for the 4th of July. Can you just see it? I know I can. And then it flows right over here into your dining room. And again, so much space. If you need an extra table for extra seating for all of the friends and family, you've got ample room here. But it doesn't stop there. Not only can you see through all these windows for the waterfront, but you have a large and expansive living room here. This furniture is not small, and there's plenty of space for everyone. But again, the main shot here is being able to overlook that beautiful lake. Welcome to this beautiful, expansive main ensuite. I love it here because you've got all of these windows to the main attraction, the water, of course, plenty of room for a couch, and of course you've got this beautiful ensuite that we need to check out. You've got exactly what you need with your dual sinks, the matching granite countertops to the kitchen and living space, your closet is in here, and of course the water closet and shower. It's just remarkable. So a couple unique features for this home is the laundry is right here outside of the main bedroom, and the garage is heated and cooled because at one time it was going to be converted into a rec room, and now it's still a garage, but you could easily do that for yourself. Okay, no more waiting. Let's head outside. Two of the bedrooms are upstairs. One of them is overlooking that beautiful water. And as you see here, it's turned into an office, but can easily be put back into a bedroom. So for more information on this stunning, quiet and pristine property, look in the description below. You got the listing link to give you all the extra details that you might be looking for. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.